how do you block internet access for specific apps on the iPhone? So let me guide you through it. If you are new here and first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials and more videos like this one. Okay, so if you open up your settings and find at first the cellular section, you can go inside and get in here, and at the bottom you can see all of the apps which have the ability to access your cellular data, and you should also see the amount of data they consumed in the last period. And the thing about it is that every single app has a toggle next to it, which means that you can disable it for that particular app, meaning that it will no longer access internet through the cellular mobile data, right? So that would be one thing of how you can do this. When it comes to Wi-Fi, we do not have such a nice feature for the Wi-Fi connection for individual apps. The only workaround we have is to set up the screen time restrictions and app limits for individual apps, right? So if you go there to go to the screen time and check out app limits, you can turn it on and essentially set up the limit for applications. And when the limit is up, the app is not only it's of course not usable, but also it's not able to access the internet through Wi-Fi or otherwise. So that is like a workaround. I know it would be easier if it worked the same way it does for the cellular data, but that is how it currently works. If anything changes and if we get like a new update, I'll definitely make a new video about it. So stay tuned by subscribing, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.